This accident, that means up to 2002 January 26th, I was doing very well. I had a limited company where I was the chairman of the company, and we were doing good sales, supplying to government of Andhra Pradesh. We supplied maize upma to the tune of 5 tons every month, and we were making about 2 lakhs rupees per month. I had about 40 working women and about 3 autos running for me. And unfortunately, I met with this accident. Thereby, I was on bed for about 2 years continuously. I underwent 16 operations and spent 12 lakhs rupees. And I came to again fresh starting. So people have informed me about this Abhaya Foundation and their human service to the downtrodden and then people who are in need. So I approached them. My first intention is to get back on my leg. So we have inquired, and then we went to Endolite company, an American company supplying these artificial limbs to Indian public. There I managed an artificial leg for 1,75,000 rupees against the original cost of 2 lakhs. I somehow pulled about 1,50,000, and for the balance amount I approached Abhaya people, and they were kind enough to give me that 30,000 rupees which I needed. So this was fixed in June, and then it took about 2 to 3 months for me to be on my legs doing exercises, physiotherapy. Now I am able to comfortably walk and all that. So now the question is, how do I make some money and survive, and then help other people who are sailing in the boat like me with amputated legs and then blindness, this, that and all that. So I thought, now I am 60 plus, so instead of making money on my own, I wanted to survive myself, and whatever money excess I make it, I wanted to plow it back to Abhaya or directly give some assistance to the people who are in need of it. So now I have, my main experience is right from 1970 I have been in the marketing field, except for these 10 years of my sickness. And earlier I was in the management cadre of Madras Rubber Factory, who is now doing 3,000 crores turnover. And I was zonal manager for a pesticide company covering 5 states in India: Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. I was doing about 2 to 3 crores turnover on my own. And even when I had a factory in Kompally, I was selling about 7,000-8,000 rupees worth of my own products in the city. So now I have decided to go for some products and sell it. So because of my financial and then physical situation, I thought it won't be proper for me to go for a new product and then stretch. So I have decided to place a. So I approached several people, and I have taken distribution of a company called Lamy Fixer in Vijayawada. They supply an alternative to Fevicol. And this Fevicol and some sort of these sort of gums are in very good demand in Twin Cities. And then I have taken distribution, and I am confident of doing more than a lakh worth of turnover to start with. And then some known people have introduced me to Girijan Cooperative Corporation, who are the manufacturers of honey, shikakai, lots of soaps, aloe vera, and then brooms, rajma, white beans, soap nut powder, etc. And this honey is in demand in Andhra Pradesh because Girijan for the past 50 years have been made a very good name in the market of Andhra Pradesh. And their rajma and then beans are cheaper by price in the market. And their soap nut powder is being purchased in terms of by these betel nut manufacturers. So they are expecting a sale of 5 lakhs rupees per month, and when I made a survey in Secunderabad market, it can be sold, but maybe I need about 2 to 3 months period to introduce myself and then get back all the links back. And these two products I have started. When I started, I was not having enough money. I could pull down about 70,000-80,000 rupees, out of which I paid 15,000 rupees to the corporation, Girijan Corporation, for EMD, and then about 20,000 worth of these JK Synthetics stocks I purchased. and I kept aside another 50,000 rupees for purchase of GCC, Girijan Cooperative material. But all these products, they are to be sold going to the main consumer to their shops and sell. So the most important tool for me is to have a mobile auto. For that I do not have a money. And then with the past experience and then the reputation that Abhaya is having in the twin cities, that they help the needy and then required people. So again I approached those people and they said you put forward a sort of project report. I gave them some information regarding my plans, what I should do and all that. They, after inspecting the project report, they wanted me to come for an interview, a sort of discussion. So I came last week and then a president of their this thing, I showed them the appointment letter and then the agreement I made with the GCC. Now I request Abhaya people to help me out in purchasing an auto, and once an auto is purchased, somewhere around 20 to 25,000 worth of stocks can be sold. It's not that I sell this every product to the shops. There are social welfare, scheduled castes, scheduled types, and then women's hostels and men's hostels, all these things. And apart from that, GCC is going to give me all Rait Bazaars in this area. And Rait Bazaar people, they purchase a lot of kumbidikayalu, tarvata beans, brooms, visrakulu, soap nut powder. And there are Ayurvedic medicine shops in about Secunderabad. There are more than about 40 shops near Monda market. They are all in need of honey and other things. And they wanted me to sell about, they gave me a target of 5 lakhs worth of purchases from the GCC every month. But in the beginning, first 2-3 months, it may be difficult to achieve that target. But once I am on the track, to sell about 5 to 6 lakhs is not a big task. Apart from this synthetic resins which I mentioned earlier and this GCC, 2-3 more people are now interested to give their products to me because of my marketing experience. One such company is Krishna Mixers, manufactured in Katedam, and Tasty Biscuits, manufactured in the women's industrial estate. And I am thinking of another 1 or 2 products like gum powders, etc. The intention is to survive and meet the expenditure first, and then second thing is to make about 15, 20 or 25,000 rupees to make my life little comfortable, and to add much more and plow back this amount to Abhaya Foundation. In turn they will help the needy people. So this is the situation. So now I have invested on GCC and other things. Only the requirement is an auto. If you people help me to get me an auto, I promise, it's not a promise, my intention is once I make both ends meet together, expenditure and then my income, and the excess whatever I get, I would like to help to the poor and needy who are in need of that, which I can't do personally because these people are have been doing this for the past years, and their services are very exemplary, and people have appreciated their services. I thought it is better to give the excess amount whatever I get to the institute and ask them. In turn they will help the people like me, and people can flourish, and then whatever best I can do in the future, I can even train people, I can give them some tips in the marketing, and I have about 15-20 products I can manufacture on my own, like idli, ready-made idli powder mix, vada mix, dosa mix, sambar powder, rasam powder, chicken masala, mutton masala, garam masala, chutney powder and curry powder. Apart from this, I can manufacture about 10 varieties of cool drinks. Cool drinks in the sense like Rex and Kisan type. You take a 20 ml, 25 ml of this liquid and put it in a glass of water. Within 20 seconds, a splash is made, and which is very cheaper and all that. So all these things, this technology and other things, I initially helped NABARD bank people. They have helped Lambada people in that area by taking me there, and then I gave lectures and asked them to learn this, and 5-6 families are doing very well on this. And in fact, the government of Andhra Pradesh, I was advisor to them for about a year, and they have installed a factory in Chilpur near Balaji temple for destitute women, and they are also manufacturing idli, dosa and pulihara powder, etc. And about 10-15 girls are engaged on that, and lots of Dwakra group people can come to me, and then lot of people who are dropouts in the school, college, and who wanted to do something on their own with an investment of 5-10,000 rupees. These things are possible by manufacturing one of these things. It is manufacturing and then selling on their own. So a unit can make about 10,000 rupees a month, and they can be happy there.
So these are all the thoughts that you have for next couple of years, let's say. Ramprasad Garu, can we have your vision statement, like what is that you wanted to achieve by next 2000, let's say 15?
2015, by that time I'll be in a position to not actively participate in going to the market. So I want to create some hairs. It's not my own people. I don't have any of my own people to give my expertise to them. And with the help of the foundation, if I can see that 10-15 people arise themselves and start these products and then make their living, I'll be more than happy. Creating some employment into the society, and where 10-15 people can make their livelihood on their own is my uppermost in my mind.
Great, great, Ramprasad Garu. We're very happy. And over to Vinod, what is that the homework we have done now regarding auto? It's okay.